i35equipment.com. This is John Deere 200 LC hydraulic track excavator. We welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, or hire someone who wants to come to you, get a professional opinion. We are open by appointment only though, so just give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Happy to have you out. Direct calling quote, we send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address to several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back the best hauler that comes back to us. Also welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. This machine is operating great, has lots of power, straight from working as it is a one-owner machine. It does have that John Deere diesel motor, no DEF required. Real nice feature. Cold working air conditioning, hot heat, auxiliary hydraulics. We do have both a manual thumb and a hydraulic thumb available if that is of interest to you. Adding a thumb pretty much makes two machines out of one. You can still dig and scoop, but then you can also grab, sort, load, and lift. Excellent digging power. Be a great addition to the job site or the farm and ranch. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call to learn more about our consignment sales service, or just fill out the form on our website. We have folks all over the country looking for good rate work equipment and help you get your machinery sold. The bucket does have 4 teeth on it. If you're interested, we do have both new and used buckets at this time that you can change out. Hookup line. All right, we're going to climb up here, check out the motor, and we'll look at the undercarriage, the access panels, and we'll end up in the operator station. Storage underneath. The step here looks real clean. If you see a little antifreeze, that's my fault. I was taking photos earlier and opened the cap. A little bit came out. It was full and it was green. Machine tracks real well, and the undercarriage looks real good on it. Should have years of life left in it. Good. Hydraulic level is good and nice and dry in there, just the way you want it. of rags and stuff in here. We'll get that cleaned out. Got the air conditioner going in here today. Nice and cool. Door shut. I'll turn the air conditioner down. It's pretty chilly in here. Throttle. Here's all your controls. And look at your dash. Got the work lights on right now. No lights or controls there. Check out the radio.
Exciting, but
Working radio. Check out the hour meter. Like I said, welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Give us a call with any questions. Website, you can always see full and up-to-date inventory equipment. www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day.